So whenever I go to the game scene and then go to the manager and click the game setting for the mobile control, here the game setting, and then save the game for the Android version. And whenever I build it, I faced a problem. The problem is whenever I click play, here you can see whenever I click play, the game started perfectly and it works very good like custom. And then if I click create and then create a game scene for me, here you can see my game started and it is working. But the problem is for the Android user that the jump button in the joystick is not working, but the fire button and other button is working perfectly. You can see fire is working, and if I click the movement button, it is also working. I can see, and the grenade button also working. Just problem is in the jump button, it is not working. So let's fix it. For fixing the problem, at first I have to go back to my game scene here, and then zoom out the scene. Make sure you just click the 2D mode of this game because it's a 2D game. And if you click the jump button, you can see canvas, and then in this canvas you can main panel, and here you can see the jump button. You can find the jump button here, and if you scroll down, you can see there is no function or something like that. Just make sure that you go to the game manager, control manager, and then click jump button again. For the second one, control manager, and then select the jump button. So the jump button is perfectly selected. And if you go back to the main scene again and then save it, and if you click play, uh, right now if I maximize the scene and then create a scene and then create a map and then start the game, you can see my game started perfectly. And if I click the jump button here, right now it is working perfectly. So that is how you can fix the problem in your Android game or Android version. Just make sure that you just click the jump button and the event in the game scene. So that is how you can fix it.